Hi, Brady here. Today I'm going to be talking about Lincoln welding rods. Lincoln is a very reputable company that makes many great products, but today I'm going to be talking about these 6010 welding rods. I like using these every day because they are reliable, they have a smooth and steady arc stream, and they are easy to use. And I'm going to now demonstrate. As you can see, it put down a very nice consistent weld that's even, and this is why I love using Lincoln welding rods. Thank you for watching.